guys, I am Akansha Sahgal and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then welcome to my channel. After a long time I said that. But yeah, welcome guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we'll be announcing the giveaway winner, and as well as I'll be discussing about what I'm planning for my channel in the upcoming days. So yeah, I'll just quickly, it will be a very short video this time, and first I'll just quickly discuss with you what is in store for you in the coming days. And if you guys have any suggestions or any requests related to any kind of videos, do let me know in the comment section below. I would be really happy if I can make videos on your requests. And yes, so first we'll start with the changes or the things that you can expect from my channel. So the very first thing that I discussed in my last or second last Vlogmas video as well was that I'll be coming up with some videos in Hindi, so that will be coming up for sure. The next thing, you are going to see more of these vlogging kind of videos, so that is also in store for you. And the next thing that is there in store for you is basically some more business tips and social media tricks. I was not getting the time to shoot those kind of videos because of college, personal commitments, work commitments, but now I have planned out few videos and those will be coming up in the coming days. So yes, those kind of videos are definitely going to come for you guys. Do let me know in the comment section below what kind of topics you want me to cover in my upcoming videos. Previously I have covered about how to price your handmade products, costing and all these things. So what do you want me to cover in my upcoming videos? So I'll try and include those topics there as well. So do let me know about that. And yeah, so now again we'll be back on our schedule of posting every Monday and Thursday, and I think for Mondays I'll be keeping the tips and tricks videos more, and for Thursdays I'll be keeping arts and crafts or maybe the DIY videos and project walkthroughs and stuff like that. But let's see how it goes, because I have to schedule things accordingly and keep my assignments and things like that in consideration as well. But yeah, I am planning to do these tips and tricks videos more on Mondays, and Thursdays will be for DIYs, craft projects and maybe unboxing videos if I get new stuff. But yeah, that is what I'm planning. And this Thursday you will not get a video because I am taking a break off for a week, and I'll start with next Monday, which will be 4th of January, the new year. And yeah, that will be the thing. So yes, you will see new videos from next Monday, and I think the first video will be related to Valentine's Day because it's just coming and it's start of January. So yeah, I think that will be the agenda. And yes, now let's just get into selecting the giveaway winner. I am so excited for that, and a big thank you to all of you for supporting me throughout the Vlogmas series. I was so scared when I was starting with it because I was like, I am posting videos daily, I don't know whether you guys will like it or not, whether it will be too much of content. But you guys are seriously so amazing and I'm so happy. And so last night I checked all the videos and the day one video and all the other videos, and I selected top 5 people who will be going on the lucky draw list, and I'll do that on Excel, a random pickup from the list. So yes, now we'll just quickly get into the recording screen. So I have the list of top 5 people here who were the most active throughout my Vlogmas, and as promised I'll be selecting the winner from the most active people, and these are the top 5 people. So now what I'll do is I'll fill in the formula of selecting a random person. and I'll choose between 1 and 5 and enter. And it's number 2, who is Sri Chaitra. So congratulations, and I am so happy, and I'm really sorry to all the others who didn't win, but I promise you guys that I will be coming up or organizing basically these giveaways very soon in the coming days as well. And it was purely on luck basis, but congratulations to you, Sri Chaitra, and I hope I pronounced your name right. But yeah, so to avail the gift, make sure you're sending me a DM or an email on my Instagram or email ID, obviously, respectively, whatever is comfortable for you. Do drop me an email with your address and the photos, photo or photos if you want a collage in that A4 frame. So do let me know all those details on my Instagram handle through a DM or Gmail. That's completely your choice. Do let me know about it, and I'll try and get it done for you as soon as possible. And yes, this was pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and I am once again really sorry for all those who didn't win. But that is how I said, like, it's purely on your luck. But yeah, this was pretty much it for today's video. I'll see you guys super soon, and thank you for watching this video, and I wish you guys and your friends and family a very, very happy new year. I hope the new year brings a lot of positivity and happiness in your lives. I know 2020 was difficult for all of us, and I really pray that 2021 is better than this year for all of us. And yes, wishing you all a very happy new year, and I'll see you guys in the new year. And yes, once again, thank you so much for participating and showing your love and support. And I am surely going to come up with more such giveaways so that everyone deserves a token of gratitude, and I hope they can have that. And yes, that was pretty much it now. Bye.